Students, it's our last week of school. Can you believe it? It's been a long year, even though it went by really fast. You guys have done so many things this year, and I'm so proud of you guys, the way you guys have grown this year from the first day of school until this last week of school. So I'm so proud of you guys. All right, let's finish strong. That means let's not just quit doing our work just because it's the last week of school. Let's go ahead and do all of our work. All right? So we'll start off with writing. You guys have been doing a lot better on your seesaw activities. More and more people are completing their assignments, which are good. All right, so today there is creative writing using pictures. There are 7 pictures on Seesaw. You will pick one of them and write a story about that picture. Remember, a story has a beginning, middle, and end. So we don't want to just write 1 or 2 sentences. This needs to be a full story with a problem and a solution. All right, so that is writing. I want you guys to write a story. You can just use 1 picture. Math. All right, we are on lesson 25. And as you noticed, there are an IXL lesson and a lesson from the Eureka math book. So there's 2 assignments. The one from the Eureka math book is on Seesaw, and it is not very long. It should only take you a couple minutes, maybe 5 minutes to do it, 10 minutes at the most if you do it start to finish. Reading is on Seesaw again. All right. Here Comes the Garbage is a true story about garbage in New York City area and what they had to do with the garbage. It was a very kind of crazy, funny type story to think about all the problems this one character had with his garbage. All right, and it's also to get you thinking about, like social studies type issues with saving the environment and what to do about, garbage and things like that. All right, science. For today, go ahead and answer this episode of Think Like a Scientist, and then there will be one more final project where I want you to tell me something that you have found in your house or outside or something you noticed, and just write me something about you thinking like a scientist. And if you were going to make a video like I do, what would your video be about? But that will be a different lesson. This first lesson is just a little quick lesson about different things of thinking like a scientist. You'll have to watch the movie to find out. All right, and that is it. Reading, writing, math, science. The social studies is kind of involved in with reading, so you guys are ready to go. All right. On here, once you go to your Seesaw, all right, I went ahead and did David's. You have 2 classes. For some reason, Arabic has a class, and then grade 4 has a class. So you see how there's lots of things in grade 4, but there's only 1 in Arabic. So go to grade 4 new, and you'll see all of your assignments. All right, you'll have to click activities, and then you'll see here's the reading one. All right, this is the book. Follow these directions, add a response. Here's the writing one. You see how it says 1 of 7? This is the first picture. It's kind of funny. It's like gummy worms are coming out of the sink faucet instead of water. That's strange. And here's your math lesson for today. All right, I show you the first problem, what to do, how to make a fraction using your keyboard. Just 13 \4 would be your improper fraction, or a fraction greater than 1. All right, and then you have more lessons down here. All right, these are all the lessons that need to be done. All right, but you can see these are the ones for this week. David has done a good job, and he's finished almost all of his lessons. So have a great week, and be safe.